So a lot of customers ask if we offer area rug cleaning services. We do not for liability purposes. We don't want to damage anyone's oriental rug, especially if it's made of wool or silk. So our hot water extraction process will damage those types of rugs. We do have a friend here in Rochester that has a rug spa, and we can take your rug to them, or we can refer them to you as well. It's not something we would want to do on site, nor is it something that they would do on site. They would take it to their facility, and they have a rug wash pit, or we can call it a rug spa, to properly clean and dry your oriental rugs. If it's a synthetic fiber rug, we can clean that on site. We still prefer not to though, because we don't want to have any drying issues, or if there's a wood floor underneath your rug, we don't want to cause damage to the wood floor underneath. So if it's something small and maybe we can put it on your tile in your kitchen, for example, we could probably do that. But if that's not an option, then we typically refer them to our friend who has the rug spa.